Okay, guys, hello. So it's Monday. We have 15 minutes till market open. So this is the third day of paper trading. Um, so exciting news. Over the weekend, I did some back testing, and I on FX Replay they have this forex. They have this prop firm back testing, prop firm based back testing, like a prop firm version. So there's a minimum, there's a maximum drawdown, and there's the profit target. And during the back testing, I managed to pass two times, so one risking 1% and the other one risking 2%. So yeah, I know it says YouTube here. I just put that as my display name, so you can see here on FX Replay. My name is YouTube. It was just a stupid name for an account because I was using the account for YouTube and whatever. So anyway, yeah, so I passed twice, so not in a row. I think like I passed and then failed and then passed another one. Um, but yeah, so I'm pretty excited. Completion in 14 days, completion in 9 days. It's not too bad. The profit target was $3,000 for a 50K account. So in reality, if I risked 1%, which I would do in the long term, it would make like $6,000 a month for like working 15 minutes a day. So that's not too bad. Okay. Anyway, so we're here gonna do some analysis on the charts. So first thing, I for this backtesting, I just started entering on the 15 minute. I don't really enter on the 1 minute anymore. Sometimes I do, but yeah, it's just gonna be a rough estimation. Like it's a direction based strategy. So what I mean is like I'm only worried about getting the direction correctly. Right now, I'm not worried about getting the precise um, refinements and the accurate entry points. I'll do that. I'll develop that later so I can get, you know, a higher risk to reward. But anyway, so we have to do this quickly. We have 10 minutes till market open. There's no news today, doesn't look like. Anyway, so don't really have anything interesting on the daily. Got this FEG, but that's a bit too far. I should put the 4 hour here because I was using the 4 hour in the back test. So I go starting daily and then I go on the 4 hour just to see if there's anything interesting. There's an FEG here, so we can mark that out. Higher time frame FEG. All right, I'll just make that a little bit lighter gray. Other than that, not many interest. It's a bit choppy lately, so I think we're gonna break out soon. Especially there has been this manipulation, like up there and down there. So I think we're gonna head up because it was manipulated up. Then we took the stop losses, and then now we're heading back up. So let's just see here. We have anything on the 1 hour? Um, Not really. We'll have to see if that's an actual order block on the M15. I say order block. Use. I don't really use the actual definition of an order block. It's just whichever was the last candle that led to like a significant displacement, and whether significant or not is you know based on my judgment. So my strategy is actually quite discretionary. So on the 15 minute, we got this. I'm just gonna call it an order block, guys. Okay, you got this order block, and then we got a grab there. All right, hold on. Right, top. And now we're pushing up higher. We get this FEG here, so I think we're gonna enter that before we go up higher. Alrighty, and right now I'm moving so quickly. I feel like I'm gonna miss out. Like I have this fear of missing out. So um, we're just should slow down a bit though. Okay, we got this other FEG here. We tapped into it again, created a displacement. Now we got an inverted FEG, so we should head up soon. This is another little grab, I guess, from this big bullish candle. So little grab. I'll just mark this one as not, not that important. So I put gray instead of black. So now let's see what happened on Asia and London. So in Asia, it was moving a bit sideways here, you know, which created the accumulation for the grab here. But otherwise, it was moving up most of the time. Then as soon as we hit London, well, a few minutes after we hit London, we like grabbed that liquidity. So we must have grabbed some liquidity here, some important level here. Maybe it was this. But anyway, for some reason it went down, and then now we're heading back up. So London already did the manipulation. Okay, now we're distributing a little bit. It looks like we haven't finished distributing yet, and I think, okay, but we are heading up to this FAG here, so we could pull back a bit in New York before heading up. I think it might go something like this, like if we grab here and then we head up, you know, or we go even lower and then we head up. So I think, guys, my two ideas, maybe my idea, okay, I think if it grabs there and I put it just under here, just rough, and then I just target, this high or something, because I think that's enough work for New York. Just target this high. Yeah. Maybe it's gonna go up a little bit and then go down. Like, I think it might take this high. Like, New York will take this high. Then it will go down. Then it will go back up, because, or it could just continue. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna see what happens in market open. What happens on the 5 minute. But because usually what I noticed is when London has already distributed, then New York will manipulate again. Okay, so well, if it goes up there and it keeps continuing, then I'm pretty confident it is not an not a manipulation, or we could continue higher and then go all the way down. I think the safest bet is just to put a limit order here and then just target this next high, because so this would be the next target and then this would be the next one. So I think I'm just gonna make it more conservative and put it right below this low, like right below this high here. All right, this, because this will be some buy side liquidity we're gonna target. All right, and so we got this order block protecting. I think this is a pretty good order block. So I think we'll just put a limit order here. And yeah, I think, then we're going to just wait. And if it doesn't hit, well, then it doesn't hit. All right, then we'll learn our lesson. So, all right, we're going to put risk. So why is it not working? Okay, guys, I'll come back to you when this is done. Okay, guys, so it's New York open right now, and we just liquidated that area, so we'll see how it reacts to that. So see how it's going down quickly already. We'll just see how it reacts over here. This is an order block again, so maybe it will liquidate. It will manipulate beforehand. We'll see how this reacts. If this goes back up, maybe it's time to go back up. But I'd really like to see if it takes out, this or something. Okay, so it's reacting to that FVG quite well. And I guess it would have taken this out too. So if we'll see how the next candle is. If it's bullish, then we'll enter. Otherwise, because it's reacting to that really well. So if it's bullish, I wouldn't say that this is a strong enough grab. Like there's not enough orders there. So we'll enter. All right. So we'll just put a buy order just in case. It was, what was it? Okay. So that, oh, okay. See what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah, so see, it reacted very well to that. I think we'll enter now, guys. If we enter maybe here, stop loss there. So how would the limit? 3. What would the stop loss look like there? Okay, so we'll buy over there. Where did it go? Freaking trading view is so annoying, man. What happened? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not a very good... Hold on. Okay, maybe that... Why won't it let me buy? My goodness. My good... Trading view is so annoying. Now, okay. What the frick? Swear to God. So did I buy or what? Can I not buy? Are you shitting me right now? What the fuck? What the fuck? I just want to buy. Why won't it let me buy? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, now I'm risking more than I want. But okay. Target the previous day high. I think this is gonna lose, guys. I think this is gonna... It's a loser. It looks like it's gonna continue. I don't know, man. Looks like it's continuing London. Like, it already grabbed. So... Yeah. I think it has the power to reach there. If it doesn't, well, never mind. Alrighty, guys. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not very confident in this trade. I need to know how to work TradingView. It's so freaking annoying. I wonder if there's MT5 for futures, because this is mad annoying. Alright. Or maybe I just... That is not what I fucking wanted, man. Why does it keep bringing me back? No, I don't want it to go like that. No, I want it to go down here. You shitting me? Are you shitting me? Confirm. So laggy. How many times do I have to fucking do this? Sorry. It's so annoying. I'll just put it right below. Oh my god. Let's see, is it liquidating that now? Shit. Whatever, guys. This is why I need to practice daily on the live, because it's so much easier on the backtest, because things aren't moving around, and I can stop it. Maybe there's a way I can not get this motion on the live trading. It's just annoying. It's so annoying. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna head out. I think I'll see you if this fails or wins. Not very confident on this trade, but we'll see. Okay, bye. Alrighty, guys, so hit our TP, nice and clean. You got you can see here order history failed. See, kept getting rejected and canceled, but here we have failed. That was closing time 10:57. It's 10:58 now, so we closed. Okay, so yeah, good win for today. First win in paper trading. Yeah, so I think I should just come on the charts like at the at the earliest 15 minutes before New York Open, just so that I don't spend like half an hour looking at the charts and over analyzing, because that's what I was doing before and it didn't really help. So alrighty, yeah, so first win in the books. I'll keep on going, and yeah, have a good day, guys.